Want to know how to create a group chat on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to create a group chat on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the inbox icon right beside the profile at the bottom. Then tap on the add button at the top left corner of your screen. Likewise, select the people you want to create the group with. After selecting the people, tap on the Start Group Chat option at the bottom. Here, your group chat has been created. So this is how you can create a group chat on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.